Welcome to another edition of App of the Week. Today we're going to talk about an app from the Chrome Web Store. It's really an add-on that is available within Google Docs, and it is called Kaizena. Kaizena is a great way to leave voice comments for students as opposed to written feedback. So let me show you how Kaizena works. When you go to a Google Doc and you select add-ons, and then you go to Kaizena for Google Docs, and then you can open it. When you'll see that it'll show up here on the right hand side on the pane. There's been some, if you've used Kaizena before, there's been some changes. You'll notice here, like now, it asks me to install the Kaizena recorder. And then when you do that, you click that, that'll bring you to the Chrome Web Store where it'll ask you to install that. You see I've already done it, so I'm just going to go back here and then just do the Kaizena for Google Docs again. I just wanted to show you guys that. So now when I open up Kaizena, it's going to ask me for the feedback. So I'm telling it I'm giving feedback, and I'm going to type in the person who I'm giving feedback to. And now I hit continue, and now I have the ability to give my feedback on this particular document. So all I have to do is I click add feedback. And now at the bottom here, it gives me the different options of how I can give feedback. Again, one thing you'll notice, I've already have something highlighted here. So I've told Kaizena what I want to give my feedback on. So I can either leave a link over here. So if I want this feedback to link to another web page, I can have it do that. I can have my traditional written kind of feedback, so that there'll be written feedback there. But this is where I can leave my voice feedback. I can go here and I can click this button and leave a voice comment. So when I click this, it'll give me an option here to start recording, and now I can leave my voice feedback. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays throughout the year. I love getting candy, and by all means, I also love giving candy to these wonderful kids as well. Once I hit stop, the processing begins for this particular feedback, and then you'll see that it will show here on my Kaizena feedback part here. Just takes a second to process. Okay, now you see I have my feedback. It is available here. I could play it back and listen to it again if I want to. But now that I'm done, I have my feedback that is completed there. So once the person giving the feedback submits the feedback via Kaizena, the receiver of the feedback does get an email. This is one of the things I love about Kaizena, some of the new features, that it does send the person receiving the feedback an email to notify them that a change has been made to their document and a comment has been left via Kaizena. So you can see right here is the email that I received with the feedback on it. I can click on it and open it, and it'll tell me the Google account that gave the feedback. It can tell me what document right here the feedback was on in my Google Doc. And now I can click here to open that particular document, and it will go straight to that particular document in my Google Drive, right here where the changes was made, and I can go back to my add-on to see Kaizena, the comment that was left in Kaizena. So now I'm going to go back to my add-ons and then select Kaizena. It may ask you to install the Kaizena recorder. If you've already done that, just close it and redo it. But otherwise, it'll open this up, and then I'll be able to see my feedback. And I can see right here where it says Halloween, I can see the feedback that was given to me by my other Google account. So this is where I'll be able to see it. I can listen to it. Now your students can follow these same steps. So they'll be able to see that as well. So check out Kaizena. Great new tool or great new features with this tool, leaving voice comments. It has notifications set into it, so you might want to try it. Your students might enjoy it. Voice comments via Kaizena.